Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Japanese keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, in the settings menu, you can go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can select language and region. Click on add a language and search for Japanese. You can click on the Japanese keyboard here and select next and install it. It will start installing the Japanese keyboard, but it will not make it the default keyboard immediately. You will have to click on these three dots here and select move up and keep moving it up to the top till it becomes the primary language. The one on the top is the primary language for your system. So this is how you can install and use the Japanese keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, but you also need to have a keyboard for that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.